the initial impact when this team found out that Jokić wouldn't be able to play, wasn't going to play? And then what does it say about the group that you have to get to a World Cup championship game without arguably the best player in the sport?
About Jokić, I don't know it is right moment to talk about Jokić, but I can say only one, and Jokić is always will be part of the team because he's the best player in the world in the moment, great person, and now I think it's not the time to talk too much about Jokić. Now is the time to talk about players that are here.
Thank you.